This is the process of making Jamaican cocoa bread, or some people call it folding bread due to the process where the dough is folded and butter is layered between each fold. Now, cocoa bread is generally paired with Jamaican beef patty. Some people have it on its own. You can have it with just saltfish, you can have it with ackee and saltfish, you can take it, make a sandwich, you can have it however you please. But this is the process of making Jamaican cocoa bread. Also, people, if you have high cholesterol, you probably want to stay away from this one. Yeah, as we said, have a lot of butter and it's just flour. So please check your cholesterol level first. And if you're diabetic, you want to leave cocoa bread alone as well. You don't want your blood sugar to spike out on you. But outside of that, it's very enjoyable. Now, if you ever find yourself in Jamaica, do grab yourself a patty and cocoa bread and enjoy. Warning, patty hot.